The last time I made a ShopBot project, I had a very long beard, about 2 inches long, and I was just getting into CNC routing, and it was a lot of fun. I moved now to Estrella, and things are all set up so I can get back into making some projects for the ShopBot Desktop. First one is this. It's a desktop holder for things you want to carry around. It's really easy to build. You just need one sheet of plywood, and it's done in probably about, 10 minutes? And assembly takes maybe 2-3 minutes if you know what you're doing. Enjoy the video. This project here is dead easy. All you need is one board. You'll notice that one of the little pieces came out. It's not a big deal. If you see it happening, just grab a stick like what I did and just try to flick it off. Sometimes it goes through the bit a second time, and then it's a bit of a pain because you got to recut the board or cut the piece again, because in this case here I didn't have room for any extras. Another thing I want you to notice is here. Try this with any power tool. I don't think you'd want to give it a go. It just shows you the precision that you get with this CNC machine that you just can't get with any other kind of machine out there. I generally like to make a dry run of all these projects before I actually glue it into place. That way if I find any errors, I can cut another board up and replace the missing piece or the broken piece or whatever happens. Now I have tabs in this model, that's why it's coming out a little bit rough, and that's on purpose. So this model here is really straightforward. You have these two things here. Then go in the middle, and then underneath those two things you will have this block, so that locks it into place this way. And then you have these things here on the side, and they just slide in, and you have your cross members. Alright, well, let's put it together. As you can see, this model came out great. I didn't even need any glue along the edges, just because it's a very tight fit. And this thing worked perfectly as well, so it's really solid right now. I added glue here just for fun. It'd feel bad if I don't have some glue at least somewhere on my model. So what we're going to do now is, now that the model is tested and proven, I'm going to make an animation of it, and we're going to launch it on CNCKing. If you want to get this project and a whole bunch more for your CNC table router, visit CNCKing.com, and I look forward to talking to you and having you send me some pictures of the stuff you've made from the site. I'll see you in the next video.
Come on, baby girl, let's get it going on. I'ma hit the highway and do it my way. It ain't no game, girl, so I don't play games. I keep it up straight, right up in your face. So make your mind up, cause life is too short. I got the vest on, boy, put your belt on. Stop acting all cool like Kanye West. You'll be riding through the wire, and the time I get fire. You don't want that, no, I don't want that, no. This goes out to things and chicks so slow. Hit the backseat when you're doing the licking, kissing, squeezing. Do the damn thing, man.